Welcome to my presentation. Today is 24 March 2025. As usual, I am going to describe in details of picture. Dejected Palestinians amid the rubble and debris at the site of Israel strikes in the previous night at the Nuseirat refugee camp in the central Gaza Strip yesterday. The Dhaka Metropolitan Police has taken new initiative to prevent rickshaws from entering major routes, often leading to traffic congestion. To restrict their access, rickshaw traps are being installed at key entry points of designated roads. The contraption is designed so that if a rickshaw passes over it, its wheel will get stuck. The photo shows rickshaw stuck on one such trap installed near Romna police station on Shohid Captain Mansur Ali Sharoni, and the puller is trying to get it unstuck and get on the restricted road. Chief of Army Staff General Waqar-Uzzaman shake hands with one of students injured during the July uprising at an iftar event held in their honor at the Sena Malanch in Dhaka cantonment yesterday. Families of 9 female martyrs hold portraits of their loved ones lost in the July uprising at even the Daily Star Center yesterday. The newspaper organized the event to honor the martyrs, marking International Women's Day. At the event, advisor to the Ministry of Fisheries and Livestock, Farida Akhtar, and the Daily Star editor and publisher Mahfouz Anam handed over portraits and Eid gifts to the families. A craftsman busy embroidering a Banarasi sari with colorful patterns, hat and stones on wooden frame. As it draws closer, artisans are working day and night to deliver their products, which are currently in high demand. The photo was taken at Ambagan Bihari colony of Chattogram city recently. Children sift through the muddy waters trying to catch fish. This water body is home to a variety of local fish, including koi, shing, tangra, and taki. The photo was taken in the Kuraina area of Swarupkati Upazila in Pirozpur yesterday. This area under the Tezgon flyover has been turned into a warehouse where people from nearby areas to store a variety of items including drums and jars. The photo was taken recently. A protester flashes a victory sign as pro-Palestinian demonstrators participate in rally against Israel's operation in Gaza and Lebanon outside the Israel embassy in Athens, Greece yesterday. Sunrisers Hyderabad Ishan Kishan celebrates after scoring his maiden Indian Premier League century against Rajasthan Royals in Hyderabad yesterday. Hyderabad piled up 286 for 6, just a run short of the best ever tournament total of 287 for 3, also scored by Hyderabad in a game against Royal Challengers Bengaluru in the previous edition. Kishan remained unbeaten for a 47-ball 106 in a game that saw England and Rajasthan fast bowler Jofra Archer return figures of none for 76 4 overs, the most expensive bowler figures in IPL history. Hamza's roles in Bangladesh tactical rebirth. In focus, the politics of recognition, how Bangladesh gained global legitimacy. Fishermen catching jatka hilsa fry using nets at Tulatuli Point in Meghna Sanctuary in Bhola Sodar Upazila, although a 2-month ban on fishing, which began from March 1st, is on. The ban is imposed to increase the production of hilsa. Those who violate the ban can be sentenced to a maximum of 2 years imprisonment and fined Taka 5,000. The photo was taken on Saturday. Workers of Apparel Plus Eco Limited in Gazipur demonstrating in front of Labour Bhavan in the capital's Vijayanagar yesterday, demanding payment of 3 months' dues in Eid bonus. Many small and marginal weavers face challenges in running their looms due to excessive production cost. Buildings on Chicago River are reflected on the facade of Trump International Hotel and Tower shoreline sightseeing tourist boat sails by Illinois.